Get real. Steph's getting her music on.
Yep.
I go no music. None. We got the kids in the stroller. Ace, back up. Get out of Vi's face.
Hey, say hi to the camera.
Say what's up. All right. So, no goals, really, just to see how fast we can possibly do it. Here we go.
My goal is under 20, but it's sketchy.
Also, the football team's already up there, so we're gonna have to share the area with them, which is kind of embarrassing, but we'll deal with it.
Nervous.
All right, Steph's about to go run the mile. I'm gonna start her. Just keep her on a timer. She's nervous. We're not even running against anybody.
And people are watching.
I know, and there's the football team's out here right now, as you can see right now. All right, but just gonna run on the track.
Okay, I'm gonna go. Are you gonna time me?
Okay, I'm gonna time her, and I'm gonna film parts of it, but know that we didn't cheat. No reason to cheat, actually, but you know. I'm not gonna film the whole
You're
thing.
only cheating yourself.
Yeah, it's not gonna film the whole thing though. All right, here we go. I'll give you a 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, no, right here at the line. You start at the numbers. No, go over to the 3. Yeah, ready, set, go.
Missing someone.
So, she was supposed to walk a little longer, but she's not going to. But here she goes. Go, honey, go! Alright, so I think she's at about a 10-minute pace, as long as she runs all the way to the finish line here, but we will see. She thought she would do about a 12-minute mile, which is totally possible, because the third lap's the hardest. But she's actually moving better than she thinks. And I think when she's done, oh, nope, this isn't good. She needs to run a little bit more. But, you know, we're not gonna hold it against her. There we go. Mom's on her last lap. She's almost done. You won't be able to see her yet, but she's out that way. So she's almost done. Last lap. Time. See if I can get this to focus. She's almost at, she might make 12. Well, okay, nope. I'm being honest, it's gonna be like 13 minutes. But it's a good starting point. Alright, there it is. There it is. Ooh, she is loving Dad. She's so happy. And Elvira's so mad too.
I need to walk.
Okay,
I
walk.
need you to
Yeah,
grab me the water.
I will. Alright.
Can I take it?
Yeah, yep. Oh, you ran. I bet you ran a little over half.
Why are you recording?
Because they gotta know how hard that really was. It's like 95 degrees out here. It is super hot. We're dying. It's crazy hot. Elvira is so mad. She is so mad. Elvira. Hi, Vi. Alright, so for me, with how hot it is, just gonna do my best. I would like to run under a 6-minute mile. If I can't run under a 6,
Where are you going to start?
we'll start back there. If I can't run under a 6, that is not a good sign that I'll ever make it back to a 5-minute mile. Now, I think I've run a 5-minute mile before, like a 4:58, in high school, but I can't remember if I actually ever broke 5 or not. So it's a good goal to do it, you know, however many years later it is now, 12 years later. So as soon as we get back around the track, we'll start. So, as you can see, that was not a great idea. It's like over 100 degrees outside. But Stephanie ran her mile in 12 minutes with crying kids. And I ran my mile. Well, you have to remember that on the track, 1,600 meters or 4 laps is called the mile run, but it's actually a little bit longer than a mile. So, my watch said my mile time was like closer to, I don't know, 5.5 minutes, maybe a little bit more than that. But my actual finishing time, I think, was like 5:53. So I did break 6, which is my goal for today. Stephanie hit 12, which is her goal for the day. We might not do the next mile challenge on the track, just so we can actually do an actual mile and not 1,600 meters total. But it's too hot, gotta get the kids home. Anyway, a little rough. Everybody's a little bit red in the cheeks.
Ace's face is all red. And Via's real mad back there. See her over there.
So, to celebrate our finishing of the mile run challenge, we're gonna go make some homemade pizza. So, that just goes to show you that it's not the best idea to run in 100-degree weather, but sometimes, at the same time, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get a workout in, and you gotta make it a priority. So, right now we hate it, but the fact that we got it done makes us feel pretty good. So, we're gonna celebrate with some pizza, homemade pizza. All right, right, Ace? We're gonna have some pizza. Pizza, and also because we just finished. Lots of water, stay super hydrated, and somehow we got to convince ourselves to get up at 5 in the morning for our next workout, where I teach Steph to do some weight training stuff. So hopefully we'll see you in the morning, and we'll go into the next phase of training with Steph, which is getting her on a program of roughly 3 days a week cardio stuff, 2 days a week lifting, get her muscles stronger, get her muscular endurance up, you know, all that good stuff. So, till the next video.